In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Monopoly Go like a pro. Let's dive into the strategies and tactics that will elevate your game. First, it's important to focus on creating those crucial monopolies. Prioritizing the collection of full color sets is key. Once you have completed a set, you can build upgrades like houses or hotels, dramatically increasing your rent and rewards. This is where the heart of your success will begin. Next, let's talk about making strategic trades. Trading isn't just about getting properties you need, it's also a way to block your opponents from completing their sets. Always offer trades that give you a long-term advantage, like a missing property that you can upgrade, rather than just focusing on acquiring short-term coins. This mindset will help you stay ahead in the game. Another important factor is managing your cash flow effectively. It's crucial not to spend everything on upgrades at once. Keep a buffer of coins handy for those inevitable fees, fines, or surprise costs that come up. Balance is key here. You want to invest to grow your income, but also maintain enough liquidity to handle setbacks as they arise. Timing is everything, especially when it comes to investing in improvements. Once you secure a monopoly, focus on upgrading it. These upgrades will multiply your returns over time. However, ensure you time these upgrades intelligently so you don't end up bankrupt. You need to strike a balance between growth and sustainability. Now, let's not forget about the chance and community chest cards. Use them wisely as they can provide sudden cash injections or other advantages. Always consider the possible outcomes of these cards in your risk assessments when deciding whether to upgrade now or hold back. Don't underestimate the strategic advantage of jail. While you shouldn't linger in jail too often when moving helps you collect or activate events, staying incarcerated can be beneficial late in the game. It can help you avoid landing on threatening opponent spaces, acting as a strategic retreat. Being adaptive is a vital part of playing Monopoly Go like a pro. This game rewards endurance more than aggressive early moves. Focus on building a strong economic base initially. Adapt your strategy based on your opponent's moves. Sometimes playing defensively with blocking trades or holding on to cash might be your best bet. Finally, remember to combine your tactics thoughtfully every turn. Ask yourself if you can trade for a monopoly if it's time to upgrade, or if you need to save cash. Use any available invite links, events, and bonuses to increase your dice and opportunities to act. Prioritize high-value color sets, which are frequently landed upon, and leverage community trading groups to speed up collections if enhancing property benefits. Consistent play and claiming event rewards will lead to small but impactful gains. By incorporating these strategies, you'll be well on your way to playing Monopoly Go like a true pro. Happy playing!